Hi, my name is Kelvin Ng, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office specialist. In this video 68, I'm going to show you how can we use conditional formatting to use it for tracking of the contract validity. But this time we're going to do it visually using conditional formatting to help. Now, this is actually inspired by one of the questions asked from my student, where she needs to manage the contract and she needs to present this to the bosses, the company, when the contract started and it ends, and when will it end, and which month we will see a few contract ends and so on, visually rather than reading the date. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to highlight all this until year 2026, color it out. Okay, so I'm going to do a conditional formatting, new rule. I'm going to use a formula to do that. So I'm going to put there equals to n, okay, open bracket. Until then, please take this date, which is in G3, but I'm going to log only the 3, right? It's greater than equals to the starting date here. And this one, I'm not going to log the D. Right? I'm going to log the D only, right? Comma. Then I'll do again. I'll take the G3 again. I'm log only the 3, but it has to be less than the end date here. This time, I'm going to log only the F. Okay, let me close the bracket. Now I'm going to do a format. Let's use a green color, a light green color. Ta-da. And let's see if, yeah, it works, right? So which means if it starts on the 5th of March, the contract will do from 11 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will end somewhere in February. Okay, the contract will end in February. All right, so this is how she will be doing the tracking. And in my next video, I'll show you how to show the current date. If the current date is 9th of September 2022, then I want to have a red line that shows that that is the today's date. If I want to know as of whatever date, I will put it there. Right? I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. And I hope you will help me to like and share and make sure everybody subscribe to my YouTube video. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you in the next video, video 69. Thank you so much.